This side-by-side counter-depth refrigerator by GE has a fresh food capacity of 14.23 and a freezer capacity of 7.56 for a total capacity of 21.8 cubic feet. It has a fingerprint resistant stainless front with 2 color-matched stainless handles and an external ice and water dispenser. All controls for the refrigerator and freezer are located on the dispenser. Inside is LED lighting, a water filter, and 4 spill-proof glass shelves. 3 are adjustable and slide forward, and 1 is stationary. Below the bottom shelf is a deli drawer and 2 humidity-controlled crispers. On the door is the dairy compartment and 4 bins, 3 of which are adjustable. 2 are deep enough for gallon storage, and 1 is stationary. All bins are easily removable for cleaning. In the freezer is LED lighting, a quick space top shelf, the ice maker and ice storage, 3 glass shelves, 2 pull-out metal baskets, and 5 storage bins on the door. To learn more about refrigerators, check us out on app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.